Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this morning's severe weather update. So we do have an enhanced risk of severe weather today across areas of southeastern New Mexico and western Texas in the orange shade area, a slight risk in the yellow through west central Texas, and then a marginal risk in the dark green up through much of the south central plains, areas of the Dakotas, the mid-Atlantic, eastern Ohio Valley, and southeastern eastern Florida. Also a slight risk across areas of Ohio, Pennsylvania, Virginia, Maryland, and North Carolina. And taking a look at our probabilities of seeing a tornado within 25 miles of a location today, we have a 5% chance of a tornado in areas of West Texas and southeastern New Mexico in the brown shade area today. So if you live in Midland, Odessa, and Fort Stockton, make sure you're on guard for a few scattered tornadoes as we go into this evening and overnight. We have a 2% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location across much of Texas, including Lubbock, Abilene, Waco, Austin, and San Antonio. Make sure you're on guard for an isolated spin-up tornado, especially through the overnight hours if you live in the green shade area. And we also have a 2% chance of a tornado in eastern Florida in areas like Orlando, Melbourne, and Miami and Fort Lauderdale. Make sure you're also preparing for an isolated spin-up tornado if you live in eastern Florida as well. Taking a look at our damaging wind threat, we have a 15% chance of damaging straight line winds at 58 miles per hour stronger within 25 miles of the location across West Texas, Southeast New Mexico, Eastern Ohio, Northern West Virginia, Western Pennsylvania, through portions of Maryland, Virginia, and North Carolina in the yellow shade area. Make sure you're preparing for scattered damaging wind gusts if you live in the yellow shade areas, isolated damaging wind gusts in the brown shade areas, and we do have the potential to see some wind gusts of 75 miles per hour stronger in the Midland Odessa area in this hatched area, especially through the late evening hours. And then taking a look at our large hail threat, we have a 30% chance of quarter-sized hail or larger within 25 miles of a location across West Texas and southeastern New Mexico in the red shade area. So if you live in areas like Fort Stockton, Midland, Odessa, through Lubbock, make sure you are parking your cars in the garage, as you do have the potential to see golf ball to tennis ball to baseball to even softball size hail with these storms during the late afternoon and early evening hours, or late evening and early overnight hours, I should say. And then we have a 15% hail threat across areas of the Mid-Atlantic and Ohio Valley, and a 5% chance in the brown areas as well. So timing out our storms across Texas, we're going to see a lot of non-severe storms as we go through the late morning, early afternoon, even late afternoon hours across central eastern Texas. But as we go into about 11 p.m., we're going to start to see large hail-producing storms across southeastern New Mexico and far western Texas. These hail storms will be probably on the order of golf ball size all the way up to baseball size or larger as we go into about 11 p.m. tonight. And then going to midnight, we're going to be seeing large hail producing storms across west central Texas in the Edwards Plateau, areas around Fort Stockton, Midland, Odessa. Going to 1, 2, and 3 a.m., these very large hail producing storms will push into the western hill country through areas like Abilene, Texas. And then as we go into about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 a.m., could be seeing a cluster of large hail and damaging wind producing storms moving through the Austin metro area tomorrow morning. And these could also be producing tornadoes as well across the Austin metro area into about 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, 8 a.m., 9 a.m. And then we're going to be seeing another flare up of severe storms across East Texas, North Texas, and western Louisiana as we go into tomorrow as well, with a little bit of a higher tornado threat. So make sure you are preparing now for numerous severe weather across West Texas and southeastern New Mexico, especially today. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.